How to fix Word to PDF conversion error. Sorry, we couldn't find a program to open this file. So you try to convert your Word document into a PDF, but instead of a clean file, Word hits you with a glaring error. Sorry, but we couldn't find a program to open this file. Here's the secret. Word actually did create your PDF successfully. The error pop-up only happens because Word is trying to automatically open and display that PDF right after saving it, but your Windows system doesn't have a default PDF viewer selected. So let's bypass this block instantly. Okay, so let's force the Word to save the file without triggering this hold open crash. So go up to the left corner of your document and then click File. After that, select Save As right here. And then from the drop-down menu, choose and switch it from a Word document to PDF. So from the drop-down, you choose PDF. I will not change the name, and now click on Save. Alright guys, and after that, the file that you see on the screen, as you can see, it instantly opened in my browser that I use. But the PDF file itself is actually already laying on my desktop. So I've already checked on my second monitor. I already have my denmark.pdf saved on desktop. After this, guys, the fix is actually very simple and you need to perform it through your actual Windows settings. Okay, so open up your Windows settings, then type in default, and then navigate to this tab that says and is called default apps. And here, guys, you will be taken to this dashboard where you have every single app corresponding for and opening a certain file extension. So, for example, I have Access. This is the Parts of 365 suite. If I go here, as you can see, it's opening the file. As you can see, it's kind of long, .accda. So that's what it's opening. But we're looking for a PDF, and we need to choose a certain app that will open it. So in our case, as you can see, we can just use this search. So in here, we can insert our file type or a link type. In our case, let's choose .pdf. Okay, click on it. And now, as you can see, in my case, this will be a Chromium. This is just my custom browser that I use, as you can see. And it will now, as you can see, be used to open that PDF. And that's exactly what happened the moment I saved my PDF document. Okay. So if you have any other, and if you want to use something else, you can actually swap that. So when you click on this button, in this window, just choose which other app you want to use. For example, Notepad, or maybe you have some kind of custom Word viewer, PDF viewer. If you just want to use Word, choose Word, set default, and then every time you save it, Word will open your PDF file. So that's it, guys. That's the permanent fix. You won't have to change anything else. If this video sorted you out, as always, like and subscribe.